Using boiling water to clear a toilet clog is risky and should be avoided. Boiling water can cause thermal shock to porcelain and to the wax ring seal at the base of the toilet, which can lead to cracks or leaks. So if you need to try a liquid method, use hot water that is below boiling temperature and pour it slowly from waist height to help create pressure without splashing. The safest and most effective first step is a proper plunger technique. Use a flange plunger, ensure a good seal around the drain. Push gently at first to remove air, then use firm, even thrusts for at least 20 to 30 seconds, then pull up sharply to draw the clog free. If the plunger does not work, a closet auger or toilet snake lets you work the obstruction directly. Feed it slowly until you feel resistance. Rotate clockwise to engage the clog, then pull back while continuing to rotate to avoid pushing the blockage deeper. Avoid chemical drain cleaners for toilets because they can damage plumbing, irritate skin and eyes, and create hazardous fumes when combined with other cleaners. As an alternative, mix a cup of baking soda with a cup of distilled white vinegar. Let it sit in the bowl for 30 minutes to an hour. Then follow with hot but not boiling water and a plunger if needed. This can break down soft, organic material without high heat. If you suspect a severe blockage, recurring clogs, or hear gurgling from other fixtures, stop and call a professional plumber to prevent further damage. Common mistakes include pouring boiling water directly into the bowl, which causes cracking and seal failure. So never use boiling water and stick with hot water below boiling if using heat. Another frequent error is using a cup plunger instead of a flange plunger, which wastes effort. So switch to a flange plunger and focus on creating and maintaining a tight seal. People also overuse chemical drain cleaners and then try to snake the drain, which risks chemical splash injuries and pipe damage. So avoid chemical cleaners for toilets, and if chemicals were used, wait and flush thoroughly before attempting any manual clearing or hire a pro. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and we help contractors find work. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips and first-hand experiences about household repairs like toilet clogs, so our members can learn safe, effective approaches and ask questions.